Oh my, what do you do when you press the button and there's nothing? There's no sound, there's no grinding, nothing. Doesn't look like there's anything in there, but we don't know. We don't know yet. So the first thing to do is check the reset button. Okay, here we go. Find the reset button on the bottom. And there it is. Now there's no pushback at all. It's just limp. So that means to me that there's something stuck in the garbage disposal. So when there's something stuck in the garbage disposal, you don't want to put your fingers in it. No, 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 no. Definitely not. But what you can do is put a broom handle in. So I'm going to tip this upside down and see if I can get some movement of the grinders. So here we are. Okay. It looks a little stuck. Got some movement. So let me try to reset it again. Okay, that time there was a little bit of pushback when I pushed the button, so I think it will reset this time. Okay, now I'm going to push the button again. Ooh, yep. There's definitely some movement in there, but it sounds like there's something inside. Let me check now that it's moving. Okay, I can move the flappers to see. Oh, oh, look what I found. Oh, a spoon, and that's pretty chewed up. That was the problem. Look at that metal. It chewed the plastic right around it. Okay, so now let's see. Let's put some food in there. Some blueberries. Opening it up. Yep. It all looks good. Let's see what happens now. Nice. All fixed with the broom handle and the reset button. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you.